Hello everybody and welcome back to Black Hills and Eastern Railroad. Today we're going to be talking about operating at N scale. This is my first time operating at any scale, so hope you enjoy.
I think we're fairly short here. James must be on the switch here.
And then I can pick up here. Go back all the way onto the main line so I can get back.
Oh, so you're shoving out? Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
So we operated on Jim Krekelberg's N-scale GMM railroad. His layout is about 15 by 10. Most of the layout is double deck. He has double helix that connects the levels. The scenery is about 90% complete. The railroad is about 100% freelanced and uses C&NW power from the 1970s and more recent. DCC commands are provided by Digitrax DCS200. Switch lists are manually compiled by Excel spreadsheets printed for the operators.
So I know a guy that can paint you a balloon like that.
That's what they've down up the truck.
I guess some people would call that a beer car, maybe, or a shorty beer can car. Pretty cool.
All right, dispatcher, job one done.
All right, one job done.
So my first assignment here is a turn job, Greenville to Portsmouth and back. So I'll be getting out some coal loads to go up to Portsmouth, and then I'll be bringing back, looks like, some DM&E traffic and BN, and doing some switcher work when I get back to Greenville. Let's get her started. So I acquired my engine, and the first thing we do here is to go grab that cut of cars that we need.
James, you're in line, right?
Yeah. I don't think I have.
Come over here and get some of the cars out of the way there.
Feeling congested in the yard there? Pigtail Railroad. That GP40's about on its knees as far as what it can pull there. The superintendent says line your main line switches back to normal position after you come through.
Yep.
Milo, are you busy?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
what?
I have to wait until those cars get moved out, and then another set of cars gets put there.
Okay.
So I'm free for a while.
I'll have to get the blue markers so I got trains going the wrong direction and I know they're going the wrong direction. I've done that so many times over and people blow it out.
So I'm back on this engine for another job, going a different way out of the same location. So I've heard this referred to as Ellison Eastern style. So we finally got time and track here, and we are moving up to Junction City. So we're bringing back a couple of loaded flat cars here with us back to Greenville. So this little clip right here partially illustrates what I mean when I say it's time to pull the pin.
This is my first time operating, and my thoughts on it were, I think it was pretty fun. I would definitely do it again. I would definitely recommend it for anyone who hasn't done it yet.
This was Milo's first time operating, but we were both invited and we both really had a great time. I hadn't actually operated for probably a couple of years now. There's slim possibilities for doing that here in the southeast South Dakota Metro. Jim's layout is the only one that I know of that operates even somewhat regularly. We've got more to come here sometime soon, but we'll bring you those details when they become available. Anyway, we had a good time, and I hope you did too. Click that like button if you like the content here. Subscribe for more, and hopefully...
We'll see you in the next one. Okay.
Man, that's creepy. Left-handed pigtail railroad.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to... How do you say that? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Blackhill. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.